Hello, Padmini on behalf of PA greeting you all. At last the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Personnel and Training, DOPT, has released an office memorandum on 14th October 2024 accepting the demand we are pursuing since several years, and the issue was positively decided by several administrative tribunals and upheld by high courts and ultimately by the apex court. This memorandum details the grant of notional increments on 1st July or 1st January for central government employees who retired on 30th June or 31st December respectively for pensionary benefits. This decision follows various court rulings and employee demands for clarity on pension calculations. Background: in 2006, the uniform 1st July date for annual increments was introduced under Rule 10 of the Central Civil Services Revised Pay Rules 2006. In 2016, this rule was amended to allow two possible dates for annual increments, 1st January and 1st July. In 2017, the Honorable Court of Madras ruled in favor of Shri P. I.N. Perumal, granting him a notional increment to calculate pension benefits. Although this ruling applied only to Shri I.M. Perumal, it led to many similar petitions from other retirees, resulting in multiple cases in tribunals, high courts and the Honorable Supreme Court. Court proceedings and Supreme Court directions. The DOPT reviewed the issue with nodal authorities considering fundamental rights. Rules that govern increments. Key points include: the Honorable Supreme Court, in its order dated 11th April 2023, upheld the granting of notional increments for pension calculations to employees who retired with good conduct. Later, the Supreme Court order dated 19th May 2023 dismissed an appeal by the Ministry of Railways, reinforcing the earlier decision. Recent developments: on 6 September 2024, the Supreme Court issued interim orders to address ongoing confusion. Effective date: the 11th April 2023 judgment applies to third-party employees. From 1st May 2023 onward, number enhanced pensions will be paid for the period before 30th April 2023. Successful petitioners, employees who filed successful petitions will receive an enhanced pension. Pending appeals, the directive does not apply if the judgment is still under appeal. Intervention applications: retired employees with pending applications will receive enhanced pensions from the month of application. These interim orders remain in effect until further directions. Employees who have already received enhanced pensions will not be affected. Implementation guidelines: the DOPT, along with the Department of Expenditure and Department of Legal Affairs, advise that notional increments on 1st July or 1st January may be granted for pension calculation purposes only, not for other pensionary benefits. These instructions comply with the interim orders of the Supreme Court dated 6 September 2024 and are subject to the outcome of review petition Revi number 36418/2024, expected to be heard in November 2024. Compliance and key takeaways: the DOPT has forwarded the memorandum to all relevant ministries, departments for necessary action. Copies were also sent to key offices including the Supreme Court of India, Ministry of Finance and National Council of JCM staff site. Notional increment dates: eligible employees retired on 30th June or 31st December will receive a notional increment on 1st July or 1st January. Pension calculation only: the increment is for pension calculation purposes only. Eligibility criteria: employees must have completed qualifying service with satisfactory conduct. Conclusion: this office memorandum aims to address demands for notional increment for pension calculations for retired employees. While subject to judicial scrutiny, these directions provide immediate relief for eligible retirees. The outcome of the review petition could further impact entitlements. Thanks for watching.